नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN डॉक्टर रितु शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गाइनियोप्स, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Now today's session is the fetus in utero part 1. The fetus lies inside the uterus in a closed sac filled with liquor amnine. It has enough freedom of movement until the later months of pregnancy when it becomes relatively fixed. जो फीटस होता है वो यूट्रस के अंदर एक सेक के अंदर क्लोज रहता है जिसमें लिक्विड एमनाई होता है और उसमें फ्रीली मूवमेंट करता रहता है. लेकिन जब लास्ट मंथ चल रहा होता है प्रेगनेंसी का, तो वो उसका कोई भी एरिया एक फिक्स हो जाता है. फिक्स उसका नीचे या तो हेड या फिर उसका पोडेलिक पोर्शन या फिर ट्रांसवर्स लाइन किसी भी तरह से वो मूवमेंट नहीं कर पाता है, लेकिन फिक्स हो जाता है. टिल देन periodic examination is essential to note its lie, presentation, position and attitude. Incidental idea can be gained about the size of the fetus or amount of liquid amnine. Lie. The lie refers to the relationship of the long axis of the fetus to the long axis of the centralized ureter or maternal spine. The most common lie being longitudinal 99.5%. The lie may be transverse or oblique. Sometimes the lie is unstable until lobar sets in when it becomes either longitudinal or transverse. वैसे 99.5% जो लाई होता है वो लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल होता है, लेकिन कभी ट्रांसफर, कभी ऑब्लिक या फिर कभी कोई फेशियल पार्ट उसका प्रेजेंटेशन होता है. द प्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो द पार्ट ऑफ द फीटस which occupies the lower pole of the uterus pelvic brim is called the presentation of the fetus. Accordingly, the presentation may be cephalic 96.5%, podalic 3%, or shoulder and other 0.5%. When more than one part of the fetus present, it is called compound presentation. जब presentation जो होता है, वैसे तो 96.5% जो presentation होता है वो cephalic होता है, मतलब जो बेबी का हेड है वो पहले आता है. बट मोस्टली जो है 99 के बाद में पोडेलिक जो है 3% होता है एंड शोल्डर एंड अदर 0.5%. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. व्हेन मोर देन वन पार्ट ऑफ द फीटस इट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड प्रेजेंटेशन. एक से ज्यादा पार्ट अगर फीटस का आ रहा है तो कंपाउंड प्रेजेंटेशन कहलाएगा. प्रेजेंटिंग पार्ट. द प्रेजेंटिंग पार्ट इज डिफाइंड एज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन which overlie the internal os and the felt by examination finger through the cervical opening. Thus, in cephalic presentation, the presentation part may be vertex, most common, brow or face, depending upon the degree of flexion of the head. Similarly, the fetal leg in a breech presentation may be fixed, complete breech, and extend front breech, and a foot may be present foot leg. However, the term presentation and presenting part are often used synonymously and expressed more commonly in clinical practice according to later definition. Attitude. The relations of the different parts of the fetus is one another is called attitude of the fetus. Universal attitude is that of flexion. During the later months, the head, trunk, and limb of the fetus maintain the attitude of the flexion of all joints and form a ovoid mass that corresponds approximately to the shape of the uterine ovoid. The characteristic phased attitude may be modified by the amount of liquid amnine. There may be exceptions to this universal attitude, and extension of the head may occur, deflex, vertex, brow, face presentation according to degree of the extension, and leg may become extend in breech. There are different type of lie and presentation. This is longitudinal lie A and B, and oblique lie C, and transverse lie the D. Varieties of cephalic presentation, one in different attitude. The vertex presentation, well flexed head, and vertex presentation, deflexed head. Brow presentation and face presentation. There are different varieties of cephalic presentation. Diminutor, it is an abruptly bony fixed point on the presenting part which comes in relation with the various quadrants of the maternal pelvis. The following are the diminutors of the different presentation: occiput in vertex, and chin in face, mentum in face, and frontal eminence in brow, sacrum in breech, and acromion in shoulder. Position. It is the relation of the dominator to the different quadrants of the pelvis. For descriptive purpose, the pelvis is divided into equal segment of 45 degree to place the dominator in each segment. Thus, theoretically, there are 8 positions with each presenting part. Anterior, posterior, right and left position is referred in relation to the maternal pelvis with the mother in erect position. However, some have retained the conventional description of 4 vertex position. Vertex occupying the left anterior quadrant of the pelvis is the most common one and is called left occipito anterior, and this is the first vertex position. Similarly, right occipito, it is called ROA, is the second vertex, and the right occipito posterior ROP, the third vertex, and left occipito posterior is the fourth vertex position. Causes of present causes of preponderance of longitudinal lie and cephalic presentation. The fetus in the attitude of flexion assumes a shape of an ovoid with its long vertico-podalic axis measuring about 25 cm at turn. The fetus accommodates comfortably along the long axis of the ovoid shape of uterine cavity at turn, hence there is a preponderance of longitudinal lie. The cephalic presentation, being the absolute measure amongst the longitudinal lie, can be explained. First is gravitational, second is adaptation. First, gravitational is the head being heavier comes down to the bottom, and adaptation, the smallest circumference of the flexed head is about 27.5 centimeter, and circumference of the breech with both thighs flexed is about 32.5 centimeter. Thus, the cephalic and the podalic pole can be comfortably accommodate in narrow lower pole and the wide fundal area of the ureter respectively. There is diagrammatically representation on a fetus is flexed attitude VP vertigo podalic diameter, then head to podalic portion which is VP. So vertico-podalic diameter. AA is the bisacromial diameter AA, and TT bitrochanteric diameter TT, and PP is the where PP is this. PP is biparietal diameter. Now this version is session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.